we have to find the value of root 4 power 7 by 2. So we have root 4 power 7 by 2 and it is root, and 4 is 2 square power 7 by 2, and square root of x square, it is equal to x if x is positive, and it is equal to minus x if x is negative. So square root of 2 square will be 2 power 7 by 2, and it is 2 power 7 by 2 is 3 plus 1 by 2, and x power a plus b, it is equal to x power a times x power b. So it is 2 power 3 times 2 power 1 by 2, and 2 power 3 is 8 times 2 power 1 by 2 is root 2. So it is 8 root 2. So option C is correct.